Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Python data frames with Pandera schema validation. Easy to start verifying Python data frames using Pandera. First, ensure you have Pandera installed. You can install Pandera via pip by running the command in your terminal. Next, import Pandera into your Python script. In addition to Pandera, ensure you import pandas as well, since you'll be working with data frames. Create a sample data frame to work with by defining a dictionary with column names and data. Convert the dictionary into a pandas data frame using the pd.dataframe function. Now, define a schema for your data frame using Pandera's dataframe schema function. Specify the columns in the schema, including their names and data types. You can also add constraints such as checking for non-null values or value ranges. Once the schema is defined, use the validate method to check your data frame against the schema. Pass your data frame as an argument to the validate method. If your data frame adheres to the schema, it will pass without errors. However, if there are inconsistencies, Pandera will raise a validation error detailing the issues. This enables you to easily identify and fix problems in your data frame. For more complex validations, explore additional features in the Pandera documentation. You can add custom checks to validate specific conditions on your data frame. Once you've mastered the basics, you can apply these techniques to larger datasets. Using Pandera for schema validation streamlines your data validation process significantly. With these steps, you can ensure your data frames meet the set quality standards. This will enhance the reliability of your data analysis and machine learning projects. Experiment with different schemas and validation rules to suit your specific needs. By following this tutorial, you'll become proficient in using Pandera for data frame validation. Consider exploring other validation libraries as well for a broader perspective. Happy coding! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.